Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to replace that little tweeter speaker in your door panel on a Volvo V70 2003 model. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. First thing you're going to do is remove the cover to the mirror base. Just set that aside. Then we have a plastic piece here that you can see where it's split a little bit. So you just take a flathead screwdriver or a body trim tool, peel that back. And get the top, I like to put the screwdriver up here and just push like that. Set that aside. Now they have these body clips that are little push pins. See the center tab? You just take a object, a small screwdriver or a punch, and push it in one step, like that. Then you can take a flathead screwdriver and just pry it out a little bit. It pops right out. So I'm going to go around and do all of them. That one's missing. Now I just grab the panel with my hand, pry it out a little bit, and all these body clips will pop right out. Just one up here. Then we have two mounting bolts that are a Torx bit, star T25. And that is located behind that plastic piece on the handle. We're going to take those bolts out. Sorry. Grab the panel and pull out. Once it's pulled up, you'll see the door panel. This is the cable for the inner handle. Just grab it and pull it off. It's a real nice design. Then we have a little mini tweeter speaker, and we'll just take that clip out, push down on it, pry that out, and then we have the clip is on the back side of this main switch on this green connector. Pull it down. The same with this gray. Pull it up, and you can see the clips. Those are the push pins. On the back, the push clips. So this little speaker up here in your door panel is called a tweeter speaker, and if it's blown or making a high-pitched noise, you need to remove it. You need to take, once the panel is off, you flip it over and you have this is the tweeter speaker. So you grab a flathead screwdriver.
Sorry, one more time.
So you grab a flathead screwdriver and you start to push on these tabs and give it a little lift up at the same time. And there he is, 4 of them, or 5 of them, sorry. And just pull it right up. And there is your little small door panel tweeter speaker. And to replace it, just reverse procedure, line up all the little marks and just give it one good push. So the first thing I like to do is hook up the electrical again. So here's my main power switch. I'm going to put that gray plug in the back. Click it in. On both of them, the push button to release it is located inward. Now I've got my cable here for the door. It's a pretty cool design the way they do this. You don't have to fish that cable into anything. Just bring it right in there and it snaps right in. Now we're going to fish the lock button through. And you've got this rail lip. Just slide that rail lip right up there, just like that. Bring it down. It's real easy. Now at this point, I like to put the mounting bolts in first. Only because I want that secure before I put the plastic clips in. This is our T25. They've got the mounting inserts of the plastic mounts in the door already. Okay, I'm gonna put the bottom one on. Double check, make sure they're both equally tight. Okay. Now we can install the cover for the plastic handle. Just guide those 2 pins in. Push it down. Now we have all the push pins that go around. So this is what they look like when you push the in piece in. That lock clip goes out, so now you have to reverse it to put it together. So you want to look like that. Put it right in the mounting hole and push in until it snaps once. Then just go all the way around. Last thing to go on was the first thing to go off. So you're going to line these plastic tabs up with those inserts. It snaps right on. So now I'm going to go inside, make sure my inner handle works, make sure my lock works in my windows. Wonderful. Beautiful.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.